like
easier to get in and out.
instructions chart. Okay. Okay, we're gonna do some fries. Oh, I forgot to figure out how to preheat. We just need to do a little bit of fries. Not much.
Yeah, it's right here. Using your air fryer oven. Tap the desired preset.
Okay, there's fries.
Tap the power icon on.
Okay, that's the power.
Yeah.
Okay, now.
Preset button for
Fries?
yeah.
Oh, wait a minute. Did
18 minutes.
I barely touched that
Yes,
with my fingers.
yes.
Okay.
Now you're gonna put your fries in.
So I'm gonna put them about middle.
Yeah, that's what it says, about center rack.
Okay. And then start.
And then start.
Oh, I barely touched it.
Yeah, that's what a lot of people said.
18 minutes. I didn't put many fries in there, and I see some kind of burning, so we're probably gonna be stopping this and getting the food out.
Tap stop, cancel to pause cooking. Okay, hang on.
Alright,
Now it says you press cancel twice.
I didn't mean
No, you got to press, it says here press cancel
to
twice.
stop it.
Yeah.
Okay.
And-
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
you press it, look, it says to stop, cancel twice to cancel cooking.
I get it. I get it.
Now, we cut it off.
Alright, turning it off.